Hello friends, today I'll share a very unique and delicious muffin recipe which uses MAKKI ka atta. This wholesome recipe can be made using either coarse ground or fine ground cornmeal. The ingredients are 1 cup yellow cornmeal, make sure it's certified gluten free, 1 cup gluten free all purpose flour, 1 cup milk preferably full fat, half cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs or 3 if small, 1/4 cup honey, 60 to 70 grams butter melted and cooled, 1 tablespoon gluten-free baking powder. To start with, mix both the flours, the yellow cornmeal and gluten-free maida in a bowl. Add gluten-free baking powder in this and granulated sugar. Transfer this to a big bowl and mix all of them well. In another large bowl, take the liquid ingredients. Beat the 2 eggs. Add 1/4 cup honey, 1 cup milk, and once mixed, add the butter. Into this wet ingredients, add the dry flour mix and just combine it. No need to whisk it further. Meanwhile, you should have preheated the oven to 200 degrees C and lined a muffin tray with cupcake liners. Now spoon in this batter into the cupcakes and keep it for baking for 15 minutes. Once it is cooked and a little bit cooled, you can see that it is very moist and very soft to touch. Since this is made out of cornmeal, this has a very unique texture which is not found in many muffins. So please enjoy this recipe and subscribe to Gluten Free India and do share and like this video. Thank you.